are looking to go through a home buying process, obviously some of the more important pieces of the process are: where is your credit at? What does your income look like? How much have you saved, and things like this. And the challenge becomes is that people don't really like to have a conversation with us because they think we're really big and scary on the mortgage side, unless they feel like they sort of have met these big blocks, right? Like they've gotten their credit under control, and they've gotten their income in a good spot, and they've gotten their finances in a good spot. But the problem is, so often they're making decisions that they don't really know if it really aligns with what's actually going to help them buy a house. But they're too scared to have a conversation with a mortgage expert who we would be happy to share with them, because I'm very much about education, and I'm very much about empowering them to understand where they're at on their journey.
Everyone has their own journey. Like, that's very true. Everyone's home ownership journey does not look the same. And so, what we built here and what we believe in is let people work at their own pace and get their comfort level when they want to take it. You go to so many you see so many different lenders out there, and what's the biggest call to action? It's apply now. Well, not everyone's ready to apply. People want to learn more. But what is your biggest obstacle? What's your biggest fears? Some of the biggest themes that come back is that fear of getting judged. I don't know if I'm ready or not, and I don't want to hand over all this information right now. I need to be educated a little bit first. And that's really where the point of our platform comes into play.